And so again, it wasn't from doing more, it was from doing less because I didn't have the bandwidth to do more. I was struggling to survive. And so in that, this is what I realized. Weight loss isn't supposed to be complicated. Most people fail not because they don't know what to do, but just because what they're doing isn't sustainable. They're trying to rely on intensity instead of consistency. And intensity doesn't last. And so that's why I built out this community. Everything on the inside is based on reducing it down to its simplest form. Because again, simple is repeatable, repeatable is sustainable, and sustainability is where we get long-term results. We don't only want to achieve the results, we want to keep it. So how does it work once you actually get inside? We start with 3 simple phases. Phase 1 is quick start. You're going to learn 12 simple habits to build momentum fast. The faster we build the momentum, the more likely you are to stick with it in the long term. Phase 2 is going to be the spark cycle. So many people on their weight loss journey stall out. They hit a plateau. And so the spark cycle, scan, plan, apply, record, keep, is exactly how we continue to make progress and move forward towards our long-term goal. And then phase 3 is the 3 core skills. So of course we're going for an external transformation, but there are 3 core skills beneath every weight loss transformation. And it is vital that we learn these and master these because this is how we actually keep it forever. So skill number 1, emotional resilience. Skill number 2, physical fitness. And skill number 3, relational presence. On top of that, you're not doing this alone. You are joined by hundreds of other people going through the exact same journey as you. Some of them are a little further along, some of them are a little further back. But nonetheless, not only do you have the guidance from me, having already walked this journey, you're also doing it along people at the same spot. So you get your running buddy, your accountability partner. It makes it more fun and it makes it easier to stick to it. And remember, we're different. Most weight loss programs are based around things like restriction, tracking, and pressure. We're the complete opposite because again, doing more, being more intense is not how we achieve success, especially in the long term. We reduce it down to simple habits that are repeatable and sustainable. We focus on the minimum effective dose, so doing just enough to achieve success. And we don't want to do more because that's how we burn out. We avoid burnout. Because if it doesn't fit your life, it's not going to last. And if it's not going to last, what are you even doing? We want the transformation and we want to keep it forever. So what you're getting is a simple path to losing weight, a system that keeps you consistent, and a community that helps keep you accountable. So if you're tired of starting over and you're ready to actually make the transformation of a lifetime, click join now and start your simple weight loss transformation today. It's literally the click of a button, guys, and I will see you inside.